How to make Christmas card using Christmas card maker on Picsart. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can make Christmas card using Christmas card maker on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type picsart.com and press enter. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, on this page, you will see a magnifying glass just ahead of your profile picture. Tap on it and you will reach to this page, where at the top you will see various options and tools. Here, hover your cursor to that design option next to batch editor, and once you hover your cursor to that design, you will see different maker templates. From here, choose Christmas card maker, which is just below gift certificate maker under event section, and you will reach to this page. Here, click on that create card option at the left corner below. Click on it. Once you click on it, you will reach to the editing section. Now, at the left side, you will find the canvas. Select the canvas you want from here. You can click on this template option at the left and search for Christmas card templates available. Once you find the template you like, double click on it, bring it to your canvas. And from here you can edit it. At the right side you will see different elements that are being used in this template. By simply clicking on each of them, you can edit them. You can also use this rewrite with AI text by clicking on it, and AI will generate a new text for you. Once you have customized your Christmas card according to your preferences, now you can download it to your device by clicking on this export button at the upper right and clicking on download below. So in this way you can make Christmas card using Christmas card maker on Picsart. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you next video. Stay connected.